Kia ora tātou katoa. I runga I tō tātou Aotearoatanga. It's my pleasure to formally launch Māori Language Week 2019 to be held from the 9th to the 15th of September. It's now time to prepare. These dates include Māori Language Day, September 14, the anniversary of the day in 1972 when the Māori language petition was presented to Parliament. It was just one of the many steps in the creation of our current framework for the revitalisation of Te Reo. The Māori Language Act 2016, as we've heard earlier, was another important milestone. This legislation established that working partnership between Te Matawai, representing Māori and iwi, and the Crown, led by ministers and chief executives, coordinated by the Māori Language Commission. The strategies developed by the partners combined together to form the mahi, or barge boards, of Te Whare o Te Reo Māori, the House of Revitalisation. So, Māori Language Week is an opportunity for all New Zealanders here and overseas to give voice and strength to our Indigenous language. Te Reo is recognised in law as a taonga for Māori and is guaranteed under the Treaty of Waitangi, but it's also recognised to have a value for the whole nation. It helps define Aotearoa New Zealand and us as New Zealanders. We all have a sense of pride in presenting a bilingual passport, of hearing Māori language broadcast, and using and hearing Te Reo Māori in everyday life. As I travel around the country, I am delighted to hear Te Reo being incorporated into conversation more and more by New Zealanders from all walks of life, from formal greetings to the use of words and phrases that acknowledge and celebrate our identity, our values, and our sense of belonging to this country. And as we saw following the tragic events of March 15, all people can draw on Te Reo Māori as symbolising us, what sets us apart and what draws us together. Māori Language Week is indeed a wonderful time for us all to give it a go. Now, I must confess, when I was first asked to be an ambassador for Māori Language Week, I was hesitant. I felt like I would be a bit of a fraud. But I realised that if the Governor General can give it a go, then everybody can. So that's my message for Māori Language Week. So in formally launching Māori Language Week 2019, I quote these words from the famous waiata by Noi Pewharangi. Whia ki te ao, get it out into the world. Whia ki te rangi, project it to the skies. Whia ki ngā iwi katoa, reach all people. Kia kaha Te Reo Māori.